How y'all doing? Welcome back to KBBC Farms. I don't need those things. At least not right now. Welcome to Tractor Therapy. It is about 10 minutes till 9. We're out here cutting hay. Made a video earlier that I'm one bale at a time. I'm trying to pay off college loans to Oklahoma University. Boomer Sooner, baby. Not including expenses, I got about 5,700 bales to roll up to get that debt paid for. But I thought I'd bring y'all along. This is, I don't know, 45, 47 acres. Right across the street from my house. Can't beat it. I pay a little bit more for it, but it's right across the street. That helps me out a lot. Anyway, I've got a customer that came to me last night, and he said that we agreed on a price on the hay, and he told me every bale I can get, he'll buy it. So I'm out here trying to get it rolled up. Every bale's gonna help me with that college debt. Gonna help me with that, getting that monkey off my back. My daughter's got her own loans and I got mine. She said she's gonna help me when she gets done with hers, so I don't know. If she does, she does. If she doesn't, she doesn't. I'm gonna take care of it because I told her I would. Mom and I told her to spread her wings and go, and she did. She's better for it, but I wanted to bring y'all along. This is Tractor Therapy, baby. I'm gonna have a lot of it. Y'all bear with me. I'm gonna spool up this cutter. I got maybe another, well, I got about 30 minutes of daylight, but I'll cut these lights on. We'll keep going after dark. But thank y'all for being here. We're gonna cut some hay. We're gonna share some thoughts. Oh, and by the way, this morning I went and talked to the new neighbors over here. They got 17 acres, and they don't have any way to cut it. They don't have any way to mow it. They're from the city, and they've got a few animals. And we agreed. I told them, I said, hey, I'll cut it and get it mowed, looking nice. And they asked me, for 3 or 4 bales maybe, take care of their animals. I'm good with that, but most part of it is taking care of people, taking care of your neighbors, helping them out. Down the road, I might need them. So anyway, welcome to Tractor Therapy. I'm going to get this thing rolled up. We're going to talk a little bit. I'm going to work a little bit. Y'all join in. Here we go. Might go ahead and get some lights turned on here. Woo, that's not the right switch. There we go. Now we're getting some light on the switch. Yeah. Heck yeah. I can see a little bit better. I don't know about y'all. Anyway. the way through. I really want to get done with this patch tonight. It's going to be well into dark. But let me tell you, the air in this tractor works a whole lot better after dark. We'll see. This, I don't know, this 40-something acres, maybe 35 acres actual cut. Hey, I'm hoping it's going to make 75 bales, maybe if I'm lucky, 100. There was some of it last year I had problems with some equipment, and I couldn't get it cut last year. So about, well, actually what I'm cutting now, this last few acres, it's hay that I didn't get cut last year because I had equipment problems and breakdowns. I'm hoping this is a little thicker than the others. We'll see. Anyway, I'll check back in with y'all. I know I'm bouncing around a lot. Woo, man. I might have an hour and a half left, so I'll check back in with y'all when I'm raking, when I'm baling. Thank y'all for being here. Lay you back.